Hello everyone, I just wanted to do a video about the overall market, but mainly about BTC. And actually, if I have time, I'm gonna go through some altcoins, but I think the most important here is actually BTC, because I'm gonna go through a lot of stuff. And so let's start with BTC, right? So BTC is actually looking quite good here, as we are having a lot of support here, and because we tapped into this imbalance here, we actually front run the 50% of this imbalance here of this FEG. But if you can start reclaiming this 4-hour high here, I mean, if you can form high, I'm quite confident we actually gonna run through those highs here. Okay, but it's too early to say, but it's actually looking quite interesting to me, to be honest. But that's actually why I want to make the video, because I had a lot of interesting stuff to share with you guys. So so mainly actually waiting here, but the most interesting thing is which I actually was why I wanted to make this video is I have been working with the whips, whip levels of or whip replacement a very long time, and I actually saw something quite interesting, which was actually this. So I pulled this low here to this high, right? And then we got this low here, which we are waiting to see reclaimed. And the thing was actually, can reclaim it. Like I said, I am watching this this high to get swept, or I'm targeting these highs here. And why is that? Is a lot of people are actually waiting for a lot lower, but it's looking quite bullish here actually. And if you go from, and the most interesting thing is actually if you go back in history, I mean not in history, but we just will go to the part of the bull market in 2022. Like this was actually the bottom. So we got this here, this range here, we got deviation here below, nothing too special. But if I have to use my whip retracement, I put this low here, this range, yeah, the swing low to this swing high. And what I'm actually seeing is, and of course we have also this R block here, right? So we bounced from these scallop pockets. Okay, nothing nothing too special, I think, in the first sign. Then we actually have this here. We actually took this low, this swing low, took us this highs here. I also tapped bounced from this level here. Okay, now again we're gonna also wait this low, swing low, do the next swing high, and then we got actually this here. So this color pocket got front run, but I think this 0.5 level got actually hold quite well here, which actually was the bottom here. I think I still remember where people were looking to get this low swept here, but it never happens. But so this didn't happen here, so we got front, and then we're gonna wait till we see again a swing low. So we got, if I remember correct, I think again this low here could go to these highs. So I don't need this here again, bouncing on this level here. Okay, nothing too special. And then we are actually so this low here we got no pullback, but if we would do that, yeah, it would make sense to pull back to this area here, you see, because you got this inversed imbalance, and you got this imbalance here, you got this all these juices highs here. So if you would pull back then, it would make sense to have here lower high, but it did happen. Okay, so nothing too crazy. And then the thing which I wanted to show is this. That's actually why I actually wanted to make the video. Is it not something I find quite interesting? Okay, and in the worst case, we have to pull this here. We use this low, so this swing low with this swing high, and then we have actually go to this level here, which would be around 52k, till we actually form a bottom. Okay, so so besides that, I think it makes sense why I'm actually waiting if we can actually reclaim this range low, why I think easily we will run those highs here. Okay, and that's actually why I wanted to make the video, because I think I'm seeing a lot of people just screaming those levels here and even lower maybe, and I really don't get the point, because all those people were bullish here, and even everyone was calling the bottom here everywhere. And now, as we are actually swept these range lows, now everyone tend to become bearish and are actually looking a lot lower. Okay, so that's that. But few things about actually about actually altcoins, and especially Ethereum, as actually the same things tend to happen a lot of times. Okay, wait a minute. So we actually got this high here would go to this low. So if we would reclaim it, like if we would hold here, it was easy to say we would target range highs. Okay, and a lot of people were actually screaming when we were sitting around this level here. They were actually screaming for all-time high and 10k Ethereum and so on and so on. And now actually, as Ethereum is looking quite strong. It's looking quite strong compared to I gonna do this here. Because I want to show as Ethereum, I mean BTC is actually making a lower low, and Ethereum made actually so actually Ethereum didn't make a lower low, but actually made a higher low. So what does that mean is actually we got altcoins are holding up quite stronger than BTC. So that's actually why I'm also want to talk about altcoins, as people tend now to become bearish on altcoins and looking mostly at BTC, but I think the real play will actually start when actually BTC of course reclaims this, but as altcoins retraces a lot, and we actually seeing altcoins holding a lot stronger compared to BTC, I think I would definitely just pay attention to a lot of altcoins, like my favorite one. Where is it? Here is it? Weekly. I think it's quite. I'm actually I just went just random. I didn't prepare it much, but like you see, like are you really bearish here? Right? Are you really bearish on this? Like, this is range highs, reject, and deviation, reject, pushed up, grind higher, and then now filling all this imbalance here, actually making still a higher low, and actually passing the resistance we had before. So that's, I think that a lot of altcoins are looking the same. For example, Ethereum here is quite holding well here. It's not breaking down. And I think there are a lot of examples. I think I saw Solana. Yeah, okay. Yeah, actually front run my level. I wanted to see this low swept. I actually made a video. I actually talked about this on my previous live stream, but so yeah, that's actually the same. I mean, I'm just going random to some altcoins which I quite remember, but the same here. So I took this low here, took this high, and so I got this as a deviation. So we made here double bottom. I added here macro bottom because I think I would think we don't gonna see those lows again, in my opinion. Who knows? And yeah, it's looking quite good here. Okay, it's looking. I really don't see why people are that bearish on these levels here. Okay. I'm mainly just waiting a little bit longer, but I think we got this this high here who took us to this low, and we actually came above it. Okay, and so we got a bullish macro structure. So we are after this grinding down, we finally can say that we actually are back in the bullish momentum. Okay, so we are back on bullish market structure. I don't know. You say it. Okay, the weekly looks good, the daily looks good. Then we got this on the 4-hour, which we actually confirmed a market structure break to the upside. So I would be surprised if ARB doesn't pull out some X3. Okay, that's a bit too much, but I think a lot. $3 I think is easy. X2, right? So that's actually the thing with which I actually wanted to share. But mostly actually staying patient. I think on the lower time frame, we are it's more a scalping price action. But yeah, I would just wait for a 4-hour market structure break before we can actually start longing everything, and might, if we can confirm our uptrend again, then we can definitely just buy after the confirmation. Okay, because I think it's quite interesting thing to share. The thing I actually learned is you don't want to buy the dip when the market structure is bearish. Okay, because the thing which gonna happen is, let's say this was the top, and you're gonna buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. It will keep dipping. So it's just your bags are just slow bleeding, and that's not something you want to see. And what would I do in that case is actually waiting for the market to turn bullish again, right? And then every pullback is actually buy, and till we get to the next resistance. Nonetheless, I don't know where, but the higher we go, the more you will actually have to sell your spot bags. Okay, just slightly. You can catch the top, but you can catch the bottoms either. So that's the thing about what I'm seeing, and what I actually expect next. Okay, let me know if you actually are sharing the same view, or if I'm completely wrong. It's I just want to hear people's opinion, and yeah, maybe maybe learn some new stuff. Why not? Okay. Hope you all enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments, like I said, what your view is and what you expect next, for example, or don't forget to like, to subscribe on my YouTube channel as well, and see ya.